Hi guys, I'm Christina from HungryForever Bangalore, and today we are at Mahjong Room at Welcome Hotel, member of ITC's group of hotels. Today we are here to try out their Chinese food that we can't wait to try because it's been specially adapted for the Indian palate, which is something that we'll find very comfortable and sounds really delicious as well. So let's go try it out. So the thing that we really loved about the food is that it's very finely attuned to the Indian palate. So it has some amazing flavors that you'll really enjoy, nothing too overpowering, but just the right amount of seasoning and all those great flavors that we know and love so well about Chinese food. One highlight of our meal was definitely the desserts. We loved the sort of like a chocolate take on s'mores, and all their ice cream is house-made as well. So that's something that we also enjoyed as well. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media pages. And don't forget to stay hungry forever.